How to change TikTok username before 7 days. This tutorial shows you a workaround to request early username change approval from TikTok support. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device and go to your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Following that, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Help Center. Moving forward, tap on Account from the Help topics. Afterwards, tap on More and then select Editing Profile. In addition to that, tap on Updating Name to access username help. Once there, scroll down and tap on Need More Help. Subsequently, choose Account as the category for your issue. Moreover, you'll see a form where you can write your request. Afterwards, write a short message explaining why you need to change your username urgently, like you typed it wrong, it contains personal information, or it's affecting your brand. Then tap Submit and wait for TikTok's response. Within a few days, TikTok may approve your request and let you change your name before the 7-day limit, though it's not guaranteed. And that's it. If this early username change guide helped you bypass the waiting period, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and tap the bell icon for updates.